Hello, Chem students. Today we are discussing dimensional analysis. So what is dimensional analysis? Well, it's a method of arranging conversion factors to convert any unit to any other unit. There are 9 steps for performing dimensional analysis. The first one is to draw the dimensional analysis grid. Write the given number and unit in the upper left corner. Copy the unit from the upper left corner to the lower right corner. Guys, we are going to go over an example of this in just a few minutes, so just look at these and write them down. Fourth step is write the desired unit in the upper right corner. 5, fill in the correct numerical relationship which exists between the two units. 6, cancel any units which appear in both the numerator and the denominator of the grid. Step 7. Multiply everything together that is above the grid line and then divide by everything that is below. Express your answer in the same number of significant figures as were given in the original problem. And lastly, the units which did not cancel are the units for your answer. Okay, example. How many hours are there in 190.7 minutes? The first thing we're going to do is draw our dimensional analysis grid. And this is what the grid looks like. It looks like a big cross. Second thing, it says write the given number and unit in the upper left-hand corner. This is our given number, and this is our given unit. In the upper left-hand corner, which is right here, so we're going to write 190.7 minutes. Step 3, copy the unit from the upper left to the lower right corner. So this unit in the upper left is going to go down to the lower right. Step 4, write the desired unit in the upper right-hand corner. So basically what the unit that we're looking for. The unit that we're looking for are hours. So I'm going to write hours in the upper right-hand corner. Step 5, fill in the correct numerical relationship which exists between the two units. So how many hours are there in 1 minute, or how many minutes are there in 1 hour? Well, you should say that there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. That's our correct numerical relationship. Step 6, cancel any units which appear in both the numerator and the denominator of the grid. This is the numerator, this is the numerator, and this is the denominator. So we have a minute on top and a minute on bottom. They cancel. Step 7, multiply everything together that is above the grid line and then divide by everything that is below. So we're going to take 190.7 times 1 and then divide that by 60. That is 3.178. Step 8, express your answer in the same number of sig figs as were given in the original problem. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 in our original problem, so we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4 in our answer. And the last step is the units which did not cancel are the units for your answer. The only units we have left are right here, which are hours. So our answer is 3.178 hours. Now I would like for you to try to do this one on your own. So pause the video. Check your answers. Now you try this next one. Pause the video. Check your answer. To go from one side of the base unit to the other side of the base unit, you must do a 2-step grid. The first thing you do is convert to the base unit, then you convert from the base unit. So we're going to draw our dimensional analysis grid. Put the number and the units that we start with on the upper left-hand corner. So 231 millimeters. We put the units that in the upper left-hand corner and the lower right. Now it says that we always convert to our base unit. Our base unit is this last letter here. So here our base unit is meters. We're in millimeters. The base unit is meters, and we need to convert to kilometers. So the base unit is still meters. So we're going to go, our base unit, we're going to put on the top, but that's not what we want to end up with, so we have to add another part to our grid. So we're going to take this unit and do the same thing that we did over here. We took the upper left-hand unit and we put it in the lower right. So here we're going to put the upper left hand and put it in the lower right. And then what we want to convert to up at the top. So we want to convert to kilometers. Now we're going to fill in all of our numerical relationships here. We're going to ask ourselves, how many millimeters are in 1 meter? Well, there are 1,000 millimeters in 1 1,000 millimeters in 1 meter. Then we come over here and we ask ourselves, how many kilometers are in a meter, or how many meters are in a kilometer? Well, there are 1,000 meters in 1 kilometer. Now we're going to cancel our units. Same units that are on top and on bottom go away. We've got a meter on top and a meter on bottom. They go away. Now what we're going to do is take 231 times 1 times 1, and that is equal to 231. And then we're going to divide it by everything on bottom, which is 1,000 times 1,000, which is 1,000,000, which is equal to 2.31 times 10 to the minus 4, and we're left with kilometers. So that's what our units are in. Now you try this one. Pause the video. Okay, check your answers. Now try this last one. Pause the video. Check your answers. Thanks for watching.